You never give up on you. Always hold true to your ability to conquer anything. Workout complete, and I am absolutely done. I had all my meals for today and I stuck right within my calories. I do have room for 1 glass of wine. Yes, I do drink wine on my weight loss journey, if you saw in my previous video of my meal prep, which I'll link in the iCard above. So I do treat myself to a glass of wine, but the key to this is that it has to be a dry wine, and I like dry wines. Dry wines are wines with no sugar, pretty much 0 carbs, and I have an extra dry glass of wine, and it kind of settles me down, and it doesn't really affect my weight loss. I know there is controversy with alcohol in weight loss, but you can have it as long as it has no sugar. So anything that's strong, like spirits, red wine, beer is a no-go unless it's a low-calorie beer, but I wouldn't even bother with beer because I don't know. But I do treat, I'm a beer drinker. I love having beer from time to time. So I do treat myself. The key to this journey is to not completely neglect yourself, because if you restrict too much, you are most likely going to fail. Restrictions are just not realistic. Tomorrow is a rest day. I'm super excited for that. I tend to work out no more than 3 days in a row, just so my body gets the rest it needs. So I'm super excited for a well-deserved rest day tomorrow, and I'm gonna hone in on my nutrition. Not that I didn't today, I did a great job today. Let me know in the comments below, would you guys like to see a video where I do what I eat in a day? Let me know, because I really don't show what I eat too much, but if there's enough interest in it, I will definitely do a what I eat in the day vlog. Anyway, we are going to rest up. We'll do this again on Saturday. Let's go. Alright, I just finished my bodybuilding boot camp with Marsella. Feel good. I've activated muscles I never knew I could activate before, especially a lot of my upper back muscles, which is great because my back needs all the strength it can get. I'll thankfully be seeing my physiotherapist this week, the physiotherapist that pretty much saved my life and healed my injury with acupuncture and pelvic floor physiotherapy. Yeah, she's gonna help me out this week. I'm gonna ask her to look at some of the workouts I'm doing because I'm noticing my core is not showing up. It may look like it's strong. Yes, it is strong, but there are some deep core muscles that are not activating the way it should. So yeah. Wait a second, I don't think I introduced myself today. Hello. it is Saturday, and my next workout will be Chloe Ting's Intense Core Challenge. I'm on day 3 of the pre-release, so I'm excited to do that, and I will share all my results in a separate video for you guys, so look out for that in the future. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me get the message out that we can do hard things, and I just want to share my message with as many people as possible, because I believe that people need to understand that their circumstances do not have to dictate where they are. Their situation does not have to define them. They can overcome it, and if I can share that message with as many people as possible, we can create a better world. So before my workout, I did some prepping. My meal preps have been a little all over the place, but thanks to my girl Marsella, she's been giving me advice on how to focus on macros only. So because I'm plateauing again, and I have until September 1st to lose these last 20 pounds to get me to Wonderland. So I'm trying to do everything I can to make sure that happens. I'm going to have to figure out how to implement my macros with MyFitnessPal. I don't think I said that right, but I have to be able to make sure I'm satisfying all my macros throughout the day. And the only way I'm going to do that is through like experimenting with the MyFitnessPal app, see what meals get me closer to my macro goals as opposed to entering my meals as I go. I have to be a little bit more systematic on my approach, and I ended up purchasing MyFitnessPal Premium because the Premium app allows you to track macros. So I know last time I had MyFitnessPal Premium, I ended up losing like 30 pounds. So it really does work. Prior to my workout, I have tons of food prepped here. I cut up these bad boys. It's so much easier. You can buy these already cut up. It's cheaper to buy them not cut up. The key to this is get a potato peeler. I was doing it with a knife like an idiot. Let me show you. Get one of these bad boys. I got 2, but I like the oxal grip better. So I peeled those up. I'm gonna probably pop them in the oven now before my Chloe Ting workout. And then I've got ground turkey prepared. That is a big bowl of ground beef, extra lean. Everything's from Walmart because Walmart seems to be on point right now. And I'm gonna have this salad after my workouts. I bought some broccoli. Don't mind that, my fridge is broken. Like, I'll be moving out of this place soon. And I have asparagus in here and some green beans. So yeah, I'm gonna take that information and see what I can do with it. Have to do some playing around with the MyFitnessPal app. Enter in my meals and see what works best for me in terms of hitting my macro goals, because I want to lose this weight so badly. God, the lighting. It's amazing how lighting can make a big difference. Hopefully when I'm in Alberta, we will have a house that has plenty of windows. Anyway, I'm gonna go get on with my workout. The Journey to Wonderland series has officially begun. I said I was going to start this challenge July 1st, and this is the week of July 1st. Why would I start a weight loss challenge on Canada Day? Basically our 4th of July. Not sure. But what's done is done. My goal is to get to Wonderland, aka under 200 pounds by September 1st, 2020. And I think I can do it. This is going to be my stretch challenge because I want to show myself that it can be done. And if you're also on a journey to Wonderland, or if you're on a weight loss journey, smash the like button because we're in this together. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel so we can cheer each other on. My goal is to create a community of people who are dedicated to working on themselves and improving themselves with their fitness and with their mindset. And the more people we have on this journey, the stronger our message. Because I want to be able to show people that no matter what has happened to them, they can overcome. Your circumstances do not define you. My journey, I had doctors that couldn't help me for years. I was a perfectly healthy 25-year-old woman. I gave birth and I ended up in significant chronic pain. I had test after test done. No one knew anything. I became severely depressed and it was a horrible, horrible situation in my life. It lasted about 4 to 5 years, but I am now here on the other end of it, healing my body through traditional Chinese acupuncture and physiotherapy, exercise, and nutrition. I want to show others that no matter what, if doctors give up on you, you never give up on you. Always hold true to your ability to conquer anything. Anyway, it's time to get my workout in. Are you getting your workout in today? If so, let me know in the comment section. What was your workout? So here's my post-workout meal. It is an avocado, 3 medium-sized eggs, a slap of jalapeno crusted Havarti cheese, some tomatoes, and lettuce. Stuff your face with vegetables. Just because you're having a bad day doesn't mean your goals have to be in delay. You can still work towards your goals, even if you're not feeling the best. You work on days you don't feel like it. You work on days where you just want to stay in bed all day and not be in front of a camera. Me right now. You just work, you commit. This is what commitment does. Commitment cultivates discipline. And when you cultivate discipline, you automatically just work through the days that once held you back. This is what growth is. This is what transformation is. Right now, I am not having the greatest day. I am being knocked down by anxiety. I share this because I want to show people that despite your circumstances, you have the power to succeed. You have the power to overcome. If you just put all of your energy into believing in yourself, you will make it happen. And I share this not for sympathy. Heck, I don't feel comfortable talking about anxiety and depression on camera a lot, but I do it because I hope this message reaches that one person who's right now in the depths of despair, in the depths of giving up, because I was there for 4 years straight, hopeless, down, defeated, had just given up on myself. But I want to show you that you can turn anything around. You can come from the worst things and rise like a phoenix. This is what self-love is about. Self-love is about proving to yourself that you are stronger than you think. It's about holding yourself and showing yourself compassion when we automatically or been trained to by society to put ourselves down. Whether it be through messaging in the media, through messaging from friends, through messaging from family. Self-love journey is about accepting yourself as you are and growing as an individual, loving yourself within and spreading that love to as many people as possible. When you push past the point that you think you cannot go on, that's where you find something deeper in you that just takes over and makes your goals happen. It's like your inner strength or your higher self. You push past the point where you believe that you can't go on. And it's at that point where you find your strength. I cannot believe I did what I just did. My obliques hate me. They absolutely hate me. But it's okay. I love them. That's why I work them. I work out for longevity. I work out to reduce my chronic pain. And I work out as a tool to help me get through my mental health difficulties. All my life, I noticed when I stop physical activity, my mental health just goes down the tank. So for me, movement is an antidepressant. It's an anti-anxiety. It's the one place where I know that my doubts are wrong. It's the one place where I can prove my doubts wrong. And there's no debating it. Let's get these gains.
You got me